Welcome to Marine Max Pensacola. Today we're going to go through our trade-in 2013 Grady White 336 Canyon. This particular boat is powered by twin Yamaha 350 four-stroke engines with joystick. As we enter through the walk-through transom, you'll see a very spacious refrigerated fish box, fold-down transom bench seat, dual battery switches with dual batteries. Here behind the helm, you'll see a Livewell and also a secondary Livewell. Cutting board, fresh water, drawers, and tackle storage. Coming up to the helm, you'll see third row seats. Here you've got your Fusion stereo, your Raymarine autopilot, your Optimus joystick, Icom VHF, bow thruster, helm, AC and heat. It's going to have dual Raymarine screens and your Yamaha digital gauge. Up top in the electronics box, you got your Icom VHF radio mounted. Making our way through the boat, you'll see the upgraded JL audio speakers. Down here in the cabin, you do have generator, diesel generator, AC and heat, fish box controller, storage compartment, a head, and also a place to lay down and go to sleep. As we make our way forward, you'll see a forward of the console seat, spreader light on the hard top, spotlight, and up here in the bow, you'll see a through-hole windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of this 2013 Grady White 336 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.